So let me start with promotions and actions. It's included in the Empowered Business Center of a Wholesale bundle, for example, and it's all about the situations where, of course, you would love to give, as an end user, you would love to give certain customer additional promotions or discounts or whatsoever based on specific conditions. And within promotions and actions, we basically have defined 4 types of promotions. Those are free, add, discount, and replace, and I would like to elaborate a little bit more on them. So the first one you can have is the promotion type free, which basically allows you to create situations like a buy 5, get 1 for free, which you can easily use by the promotion type free. And of course, I'm going to dive into that in the demo as well. The next promotion type we have is the promotion type add. So when specific conditions are met, for example, in this case, when you buy 10 wine bottles from a specific category, plus when it's above 80 euros in totals, then add a free bottle opener or give a choice. So basically you can create the option, okay, when someone buys 10 wine bottles and it's above 80 euros, then they get a free bottle opener, for example, or you can give them a choice which one of the 3, 4, 5, whatever selected promotion gifts they can choose from. The third one is discount, and that's basically just an additional discount which you can give when the conditions are met. So when they are buying a minimum number of pieces or when a minimum amount has been achieved. And that additional discount can then be basically on top of the existing customer discount, or for example, replacing the existing customer discounts we have in Business Central. And the last promotion type we have is replace, where you can basically, when the conditions are met, the items will be replaced by another item. In this example, for example, in a specific period, for example, you choose a specific month where you're promoting a specific ink cartridges, then you can create a promo with replace, that when customers are ordering 10 standard ink cartridges, they will automatically be replaced with 10 premium ink cartridges, for example. And to make use of that, you simply need to enable empowered promotions and actions. And for that, I would love to give you a live demo how that works. So let me switch to my Business Central environment. So here we are in my Business Central environment. And as you can see over here, you see empowered. And if I go to the module configuration, you can see that in this case, we are in an empowered Business Central for wholesale and distribution environment. And you can see over here in the module selection where you can basically enable or disable the features you would like, that promotions and actions has been enabled. So as soon as that has been enabled, of course, the menus are available for you to get started. And first of all, the first thing you need to do is, of course, the promotion setup. So let's search for the promo setup. And if I go to the promotion setup, you will see that there are just a few minor steps you need to take in consideration before you get started. Of course, for the promotions, we are making use of a number series. So you need to create a number series to make use of, and you can define on which documents the promotion setup, on which documents the promotion should be available for the end users to work with. And this feature means if the system automatically needs to calculate all the available promotions which are applicable in this case, or where the customer is eligible for, or if you want to do it manually. So if you would enable this feature, as soon as you're releasing a sales document, it will be calculated automatically. For the purpose of this demo, I leave this setting off, so I need to do it manually so I can easily show you some different promotions. So this is basically the first things you need to do to get started. And after that, you can immediately start creating your first own promotion. And let me show you how that works. So therefore, we go to Empowered, and there you will find the promotions and actions feature, where I can go to the promotions list. And in this promotions list, you can simply create the promotions. Let me open just a random one to show you what's needed to get started. And based on the result that we have filled in the generic setup with a number series, of course, the promo will get a promo number series. And then, of course, you need to give a promotion to the specific promo, and you can give the promo a specific start and ending date in which period the promo is applicable. You see that as long as you are working on the promo, it has to start as the status draft, and if it's finished, you can then under release click for release, and then the promo is really active in the system. The last thing I would like to highlight over here in the general part is the apply promotion switch, where you can choose between single and multiple. So basically here you define if the promo should be applied only once or multiple times. So imagine the promo type free, so buy 5 get 1 for free. If I would choose single over here, no matter if you buy 5 or 10, you still get only 1 for free. If you would choose here apply promotion type multiple, as soon as you're buying 10, they will get 2 for free. So that's the generic settings you need to choose, and then you can basically build up your promo, which starts with the customers. So basically select which customers are eligible for this promo. So you can then work with customer groups or with individual customers, or in this case, for example, you can also say, okay, simply this promo should work for all customers. The next thing is, of course, next to customers, you need to define the items which are applicable in this promo, and there you can basically identify individual items, for example, which should be promoted. Then as soon as you have defined the customers and the items who are applicable to this promo, you can then start with your conditions. And with the condition, you can either work with a minimum quantity, so a minimum quantity of items, or for example a minimum amount. Plus you have also the option to stack multiple conditions. So you can either say, okay, with a minimum quantity of 10, then the promo is applicable, or when the amount is above €1,000, then the promo is applicable. Or you can also say it should be combined, so it should be and at minimum 10 items and at minimum above €1,000, then the promo should be applicable. And then as soon as you've defined the conditions, you can define the actual promo. And as you can see over here, you can define between the 4 types I just explained in the presentation. So you can choose between discount, an additional discount, add an additional item, replace items with a, for example, the more premium version, or give an item for free. So buy 5 get 1 for free item. And then you can of course define which item, or in this case, if you choose for discount, what should be the discount, and should it be on top of, or should it replace the existing customer discount. So this is basically how you from scratch create a promo. And let me show you how that would work. So I would love to show you 2 promos I've prepared in advance. So the first one is the promo month of the chairs, and you see between brackets it's the promotion type free. So I've defined a promo. Imagine that we are a furniture trading company selling chairs and tables and whatsoever, and we would love to promote a specific chair in this case. So I've chosen the start and ending date, and I've chosen the apply promotion type multiple. I've decided that this promo is available to all customers, and we are talking about the Paris chair black as the item which should be promoted. Then for the condition, I've said, okay, when the minimum amount of 4 pieces has been reached, then the promo should be applicable. So the condition is just only minimum quantity 4. And then we go to the actual promo, and here you see I've chosen the promotion type free, quantity 1, so it's buy 4 get 1 for free, and of course you can also work with buy 4 get 2 for free or whatsoever. And then as you can see over here, this promo type will be handled through an item charge in the system. So this is an example of the promotion type free, and in this case you see buy 4 get 1 for free, and we have chosen the apply promotion type multiple. The other promo I would like to show you as well is the promotion type add. So an add is basically when the condition is met, then an additional item should be added to the lines. So in this case, I've created the promotion with the description meeting package, and the apply promotion type. In this case, I've chosen the option single. So it's no matter how many times we are meeting conditions, this promo should only be applied once. Once again, all customers are eligible for this promo. it's the same item we've chosen to use in this promo. So basically the same Paris chair black. Now, if we go to the conditions, you see that I've chosen another condition. So basically the minimum quantity of 8. And as soon as that condition has been met, then we have another promotion type available, and that's the promotion type add. And here you see that I've defined that a completely different item should be added to the lines as well. So in this case, you see that when they are buying at minimum 8 Paris chair blacks, they will get a meeting package on top of it, and they should get it for free, as you can see over here. Now, I've guided you through the setup, how you create your own promotions. I would love to show you the result, how that would influence the salespeople who are working in the system creating sales quotes, for example. So let me go back to the role center and go to just a random sales quote. So I will go to a sales quote. Please remember, I've said all customers are eligible for this promo. So I can choose just a random sales quote. And in this case, we go to the lines, and here you see that I've already entered the Paris chair black as an item on the line. I've also chosen in the general setup that we need to calculate the promotions manually. That can be done via this button, so calculate promotions. If I click now on calculate promotions, nothing will happen because, of course, the quantity is only 1. So there are, in this case, for this customer with these items and this quantity, there are no promotions applicable. If I would now change the quantity to 4 and I click on calculate promotions, you see that an additional line has been added, and that's the promo month of the chairs, the first promo I've showed you, also the first promotion number from the number series. And you see that basically via an item charge, one of the 4 chairs is now reduced from the sales line, so you get 1 for free. Now let's change the quantity to 8 and click on calculate promotions once again. Now, of course, we get the same promotion again, month of the chairs, and the first promo. But now you see, since we have chosen the apply promotion type multiple, that we get 2 chairs for free. But also the other promo is now coming into play, because we are meeting the condition for the second promo, which is the promo to add a meeting package as soon as we are selling 8 of the items, so 8 Paris chair blacks. And now, as a last thing I would like to show you is when I change the quantity into 16. Of course, we all know that we will get 4 chairs for free, but the meeting package will still be added only once, since we have chosen apply promotion to apply the promotion only once. So this is basically, you can see, as soon as you're clicking on calculate promotions, it will basically search to your whole promotion list based on the customer you're working with, the items which are on the sales document. It will basically check on which promos all are eligible in this case. And now you see that multiple promos will be added to the document, and you can basically make use of this promos and discount. We see that as a huge beneficial addition on top of the different price list we are working with in Business Central and the customer discounts. This gives way more flexibility and advanced options to create your own promos.